Use and fall zones. Hello everyone, JW here. I hope you're enjoying this series on playgrounds, shock pads, and all the components that go into a successful playground installation. Today I'll give you a short description of use fall zones. Understanding use fall zones is imperative when installing synthetic turf around playgrounds. The fall zone is the area surrounding the playground equipment where the playground surface is used to prevent injury. It is mainly called the use zone. According to guidelines from the Consumer Product Safety Commission, fall zones around playground equipment must be properly serviced and extend at least 6 feet beyond the equipment in all directions. These fall zones must have tested approved safety surfacing to protect children against injuries. Fall zones are designated areas that are strategically placed around playground equipment where the risk of falls are very high. These zones must be constructed with materials that help absorb the impact of the fall. These zones ensure that children have a safe place to land if they fall off the equipment, reducing the risk of serious injury. Fall zones help create an enjoyable playing environment for children by providing a safe and cushioned surface. Visit me next time and I'll dive deep into the playground sub-base construction, and I'll also touch on exterior nailer boards, shock pad installation, and tips and methods that I've created to make all your lives easier. Until then, JW out.